After a car accident, one of the biggest risks to your claim is being blamed, even partially for what happened. It may be unbelievable. It's so obvious to you that you're not at fault. Turns out the insurance company sees it another way. And that's where we come in. At Nova Injury Law, we protect you against blame from the beginning, and we build a strong case around this issue. First, we'll tell you not to give a statement to the insurance company. They're trained to twist your words and capitalize on things that they like. You got to make sure this doesn't happen. Second, we always act quickly to collect information from the scene, speak to witnesses, because memories fade, details disappear. You don't want to have evidence go missing that's supportive to your case. If needed, we'll bring in a professional, like an accident reconstructionist, to analyze what really happened and provide us, in some cases, with an animation to explain exactly why you were right. We can back it up with science, and sometimes that's what the case needs. We also work to get fault admissions early on in the case. We want to get over this hurdle that my client's at fault. Let's get there. Yes, your client insurance company, your client's at fault. Let's focus on what really matters, my client's injuries. Let's talk about why they were hurt by your insured and how much money their injuries are worth and what they need to be better. Ultimately, we know that insurance companies want to argue back. They want to blame you for being contributorily negligent, that you did something wrong, or maybe that you didn't try hard enough to get better. And we fight back against all of this. And we know ultimately that people are trying as hard as they can to get better. No one wants to be hurt and disabled. But ultimately, if you're not at fault for a car accident, you're entitled to compensation, and there's no other way about it. If you've been in a car accident and you're worried about being blamed, if you're worried about being undercompensated by insurance companies' strategies, you should talk to us. And talk to us before you talk to the insurance company so that we can make sure that your rights are protected, that you're making wise, strategic choices from day one.